Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to another virtual walk around with me, Greg from Emerald House of Cars. Now today our subject is this epic, subtly modified Abarth 595 Competizione Mta, a fantastic offering when it comes to a budget friendly, overly capable hot hatch, and these are the reasons why. One, look at its shape, look at its styling, look how aggressive it is. It's like an angry, mean Fiat 500 on steroids. And the nimble nature of these driving around in bends and tight roads are absolutely fantastic. You've also got the Abarth red, the signature Abarth colour. Very similar to another Italian red we know, maybe someone called Rosso, but of course without the hefty price tag. You can see you've got sports styling, you've got the bonnet vents, all the grooves, you've got the Abarth Scorpion logo here. Moving down, you've got the honeycomb grille with the Abarth livery. You've got your first taste of the blue wrap that's on there. You've got front fog lights, you've got the honeycomb grille, gloss black, also LED daytime runners and headlights there as well. You can see you've got the gorgeous little sculpted shape which just makes it so much fun to drive. You've got a darkened side repeater and you've got the satin gold alloy wheels, which I will agree look absolutely wicked against the red, with a Brembo caliper as well. Moving around, you can see you've got your air venting. You've also of course got your extended side skirts which give it a lot of character. Flared arches, lowered ride height, it just sits so pretty. Gloss black on the door handle. And you can of course see on here you've got your carbon fibre effect on the wrap on the door mirror. Gloss black window surround, you've got carbon fibre wrap on the B pillar, tinted privacy glass. You've also got carbon fibre wrap on the roof as well. Moving up, you've got your high level lip spoiler, and then you move down, rear wiper, tinted privacy glass again, and a staunch stout rear end which looks absolutely mega. See, Scorpion logo, and you've got your second bit of character at the bottom. You've got your green wrap on the bottom just there. You've got your LED rear lights just here, and of course what you can see is this bit is cut out, it's just paint, so that's almost just a surround. You've got your rear reflectors, fog lights, reverse light, rear parking sensors, and the awesome Monza exhaust system. Now on there you can see you've got a sports rear diffuser, honeycomb in there as well. And this sounds absolutely wicked, especially on a cold start, and it sounds like it's really gurgling and loading itself up for a lot of fun. You can see in the back, one nice touch, you've got this here, and you of course see it's embroidered with the Competizione logo, and you've got more than enough room for any little luggage. I mean, you're not going to buy this if you've got pets, if you've got loads of kids, if you've got loads of different luggage to carry. This is all about fun, whipping around A roads and surprising many people on the road. And from every angle it just continues to impress. It really is such a cool little car. I mean, these are really wasted in terms of being overlooked as an option, and it's hard to understand why. They offer great driving experience. I can almost guarantee you drive this at full tilt using that auto box. Yep guys, it's an auto, so it's super rare, and you are going to smile like nothing else. Yes, you can have the big powerful cars, but why have enough power in a small car, and that equals lots of fun. And don't forget, with this you also have an interior that looks like this. Now it might be a smaller interior or a city car in the heart, but that doesn't stop it from looking absolutely immense inside. Really cool. Now what we're going to do, we're going to show you firstly in the back seat, so we've got some room. You can see you've got that gorgeous design, you've got the round headrest to ensure comfortability, sculpted seats, and of course it's dual seating with quite a lot of room for a little Abarth. Now the front seats are where it starts getting really special. You can see Abarth embroidered leather, half Alcantara, and you've got the cloth in the middle. Really cool sculpted bolster seats. They just look awesome. You can see you've got the metallic grey with the Abarth logo for the adjuster. You've got your carbon fibre on your Competizione logo, half leather mats, you've got your stainless steel Abarth pedal. Then on here you've got your half cloth with your electric adjustable mirror. Now getting in, it's wicked, it feels cool, it feels, and that is the essence of why we buy these wicked nimble little cars. You can see you've got your Abarth logo that illuminates on the clock when you get in. Just get everything ready, and then to turn it on, as it's an auto, foot on the brake, key in the holder, turn it halfway, let it initialise, all your screen loads up, all digital, really smart, just so you don't forget you're in the Abarth, and turn it on and you can hear that Monza exhaust. It just is so cool. It sounds a lot naughtier than what you'd imagine, and it's just cool, it's just so different. Up the top you have of course got your Alcantara on your instrument cowling. You've got your sport mode here, which when you click the button it'll tell you if you're in it or not. You've also on there got your turbo bar pressure. Here of course you do have your satellite navigation. You've also got your touchscreen media. On here you've got your metallic grey, and it goes into the billet aluminium, really cool. And then your passenger sculpted seat as well, absolutely immense. Now on there you have of course got your digital display. You can see on there you've got your trip computer, you've of course got your miles per hour, and when you take it off sport mode you'll see your display changes. You've got your normal mode just here, and in sport mode you get the checkered flag, and it does change. Now you can scroll down on these, it's really easy, and you can have all the different options on there to change what you do. And you see you can get on the menu, you've got your dimmer, you can change all the different options just here. Speed beep, trip beep, radio repetition, phone, navigation as well. You've got all wicked options on there, fully customizable. You can get on your service. You can see it's not due for 346 days. Really impressive. Now what we are going to do of course is move around. You can see on this side just before the steering wheel you've got your high beam lighting, and on this stalk you've got your wipers. Moving down from there you can see you've got your manually adjustable steering column, and then we come on to the steering wheel itself. Absolutely mint. On here you've got your half Alcantara, you've got your carbon 12 o'clock marking, and you've got your half perforated leather with the carbon inserts just here, which again really hit home that this is all about performance. Volume control, voice control and mute, and then of course you've got your different options here for your Bluetooth telephone. Abarth in the middle with a big scorpion logo, and of course moving down you've got the Alcantara on the bottom with your concave base with your carbon fibre as well. And then we move across, you're now on your touchscreen media system. You can see on here, if you click on the radio, you've got FM, AM and DAB. On your media you've got USB, you've also got your Bluetooth, and of course you can collect your source here, and you've got auxiliary on there as well. You've got SatNav, which is of course powered by TomTom. You've got Uconnect, which you can log into at any time. You can see on here audio settings, media settings, nav, phone, radio. You've also got your Bluetooth telephone option just here, which of course you can connect. You've got many different ones you can do, and you can go on your settings and you can change different options, your display, your units, your voice. You can go on your lights, you can have daytime running lights if you want them on, doors and locks, engine off options. You see you can have the radio delay, you've got audio, phone, Bluetooth, radio, and you can clear it all and start from the start again. Really great little option. Then moving down, you've got hazard lights, of course got your fog lights just here, sport button, which you can see we have pressed once or twice, and you can see here you've got your air conditioning. It isn't dual zone, it is of course single zone. You can change your temperature for the cabin using this button, and you can change your air distribution using this button just here. You can turn it off, you can have your aircon on or off, or just the heater, and of course recirculation just there. Here you've got your automatic mode, and here you change where the air and decipher where it's portrayed into the cabin. Heated front screen, heated rear screen, and then of course you've got your electric window switches here, so it's down, press it up, and up it goes faultlessly. It can take a while to get used to this, but don't worry, it'll all become second nature once you've driven it 2 or 3 times. Now this, yep, it looks odd. Yep, it's the weirdest gearbox I've ever seen. And yes, it performs extremely well. Now to use it, it's quite simple. Foot on the brake. If you want to drive, you click the 1 button, and you can see now you're in 1 and auto, meaning you're in auto mode. Now, if you want to change that to manual, you click that button, and you'll see that the auto disappears. Press it again, and auto reappears. To put it in neutral, click the N button, and you can see you're now in neutral. Now to put it in reverse, click this button, and you can see you're in auto reverse just now. But it is really cool, really responsive, and it's just all a bit different. I've never seen a gearbox as buttons. It can again take a while to get used to, but once you do, it actually works really well. And when you use that along with a paddle shift in your manual mode, you have the optimum and most engaging way of driving this awesome Abarth 595. Moving down from here, you can see you've got your cigarette lighter or your 12-volt charger light just here. You have also, of course, got dual cup holders, auxiliary, USB, and the old school lady puller or man puller. If you're a girl racer, you can see the perforated leather handbrake just there. I mean, all in all, it really is a great offering when it comes to an affordable, overperforming, really engaging hot hatchback. But what I do want to take is, of course, that this car has been treated the 128 point Emerald check. Now what that means is that this car has been put through its paces at our on-site RAC approved facility, both cosmetically and mechanically. And what that also means is you can see what questions we asked of this awesome offering from the Italian on the vehicle advert under vehicle inspection sheet. Now if you're looking at buying this in terms of PCP, HP or part exchange, or even if you're looking at buying remotely from us, they're probably the best car dealership in the UK. And remember, we were also awarded the award last year for the used car retailer of the year. So we have many contacts within the finance industry, all of which can offer you APR as low as 7.9% subject to terms of approval. And if that's still not enough, remember we have treated this to an oil and filter service as part of preparation. So if you want to see what being probably the best car dealership in the UK is all about, exactly what the Emerald experience entails, pick up the phone and get dialing. Yep, this isn't the Wolf of Wall Street, this is GXE, this is your call to arms, and we can't wait to see you very soon. Thank you very much, we'll see you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10.
Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10.
10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, it's more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Be
the
11.
UK.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.